Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a great day today. If you are new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm going to be doing my eye look for Valentine's Day. Now, as you can see, I finished most of my look except my eyes and my lips. But what I'm going to use today are two palettes that I picked up at Ulta. Now, the first palette I picked up at Ulta, I picked this up last year. This is the Catrice Cosmetics Absolute Rose palette. They should still have this available. And I also have the Urban Decay Naked 2 Basics. I'm going to use some of these as transition colors. So I'll just figure out what I'm doing as I go along, because I really didn't plan a look. I just planned on using these two palettes. So let's just get right into the video. So I have everything on my face except my eyes. I did do with my brows. I did use my Wonder Brow. I got my Wonder Brow on HSN. They should still have that on sale. So I really like that particular brow product. It goes on, it looks really natural. You just put it on, you comb it out, and you're done. It's really great. So for on my lid, what I'm going to be using is the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. This was given to me by another YouTuber, Just Dan. So I'll leave a link to her channel below if you guys are interested in watching her channel, if you haven't watched her yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little bit of the primer potion and put it on my finger and just start applying that to my lid. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I need to set this primer. So let me just make sure I have this all evened out, and I do. And I'm going to take this Pacifica Perfect Lotus powder in light to set this. And let me get my brush. You can see it's a pretty light color. It has more of a warm tone. It's like a yellowish, like a banana powder. Get it off. There we go. So you can see what that looks like if you have never used this type of powder. I really like this one. And I'm going to use some of this stuff away. My e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush to apply this to my lids, because I'm lazy and that's how I want to do it. And there goes the phone with my notifications. Okay, so for a transition color, what I'm going to be using is the Naked Basics 2. I'm going to go into this, let me bring it up, I don't want to blind anybody, into this shade called Frisk, and I'm going to apply that in my crease. And I'm using this BH Cosmetics. This is the fluffy blending brush. If you haven't seen this one, the writing is all worn off. I've used this for so long. I've had it for a long time. And just let me rub that on my little towel there. And you know what? I have that mirror. I might as well use it. So I'll just take that shade and I'm just going to go into my crease with this little blending brush. Actually, it's a big blending brush. And I know I'm not talkative right this minute because I just want to see what I'm doing over here. Okay, then I'm going to go into my Catrice palette, and the first shade I'm going to use, I don't think these shades have any names, no, but the name of the palette is the Absolute Rose, but on the back it says, right on the upper left hand corner, Frankie Rose to Hollywood, and it's palette number 010, so 010. Okay, I haven't used this palette in a while. And I can see that my cats have been in here. My cat hair is in everything, I swear. I don't know how their hair gets in certain places. It just gets everywhere and it just drives me crazy. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go into now, this is going to seem like it's repetitive, but I am going to use this, is this shade right here. I'm going to go right into the crease, right over the Frisk with the same brush. Let me just clean it off a little bit. I believe that's the only matte in there, yeah. But no, it's not quite matte. It's more like a satin. And I'm just going to do that on the outer part of my eye. If you can see that. Right there. And do this eye. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over with the outer corner. I'm going to go use the darkest shade in here, and I'm going to use a different brush. I'm going to use this elf brush. I don't remember which one this is, but it has like it's like this. I'll show it sideways, pretty thin. It's tapered at the top. You can see it's like not a fan brush, but it fans out here and then it's really tapered. You can see that. And I'm going to take that darkest shade and I'm going to pull my mirror in a little closer so I can see better what I'm doing. It's a lighted mirror, so you probably see that it's lighted. And I'm just going to tap my brush in just a little bit. You can see that fall out. I'm going to go right in the corner, right here, like that. On the outer part of my eye. And into the crease with the flat pointed side, like this. Yes, it's quiet. I don't know if you know there's a cat behind me. Yeah, you guys can see her. Gussie. She's right there. She'd pass out. She went out, got herself a snack, and then just decided, okay, time for me to pass out on the bed, which is really funny with her. She's a funny cat. I feel like I'm drawing this on very carefully because I don't want to mess. I'm trying to achieve a certain look that I had planned out in my head. Hopefully I can do the same on the other eye. You see how that came out? And I'm going to try to do the same thing on that eye. Hopefully I can get it done. Okay, then I'm going to take the blending brush again, and I'm going to go back into the Urban Decay palette, and I'm just going to go back with that frisk right there and just a little lightly go over those lines to clean up any harsh lines I have right there. So a little bit of frisk, and just to clean it up right there, no big deal. Over that, what I want to put over that is this shade right here. So it's a little bit of like a glittery type. I don't know if I would call that glitter, but it's not matte. I'm trying. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the same flat brush that I was using. I'm just wiping it off. I have a little towel down here to wipe it off. And I'm going to go right over that just a little bit, right over this part of the crease. And whoever said that you can't wear any shimmer in your crease, ever wore shimmer in their crease, or they didn't like it. So I'll wear it. I like it. Like that blending brush, I'm not going to dip it in anything. I'm just going to clean it up just a little bit. Okay, and then on my brow bone, what I'm going to put is the lightest shade. That would be this shade right here. I'm going to do that first before I do anything else. And I'm going to use that same brush, this flat brush, and go into that shade right there, this last one right here. And just highlight a little bit. And I'll take the highlight, I'm going to put it, sweep it over right here. Just a little bit. So it's like transition in the color there. And I'm going to take that same shade, I'm going to put it in my inner corner on the tear duct. Here. Okay. I want to take this light pink shade right here, this one, and put it on my lid. Okay, right here on the lid and up to the crease. And after that, what I want to do, I want to find my liner brush. And with my liner brush, I want to take this shade and go under my lash line. And I want to line with this shade over here to the outer corner. Hopefully I can see what I'm doing. I feel like that saying from Star Trek, blind as a bat and out of control. If you guys are Trekkies of the old movies, you know what I'm talking about. If you know what I'm talking about, guys, tell me which Star Trek movie that came from. To do that on the outer corner just a little bit to darken it up. I can see what I'm doing over here. That on the other eye without poking that eye. So then I'm going to take some eyeliner. Now, for my waterline, I'm going to use this LA Girl gel liner. I think this is in Champagne. You can see that. I'm going to do that for my waterline. Some people call it the inner rim. Some people call it the waterline. I don't tight line because I probably poke my eye out. And this gel liner brightens up the look. Okay, and then I'm going to use this Julep gel eye glider on this one. I don't remember what. Okay, it's a Smoky Taupe Shimmer. So I'm going to use this right underneath the LA Girl right here on the. Okay, that's nice and pronounced. And then I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to use my usual mascara. I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild Max Volume Waterproof. This is the waterproof, yeah. Okay, now I have to flip this over. While my mascara is drying, I'm going to choose my lip color. I'm sure I don't have any makeup on there. What I'm going to use today is I'm going to line with this Laura Geller waterproof lip liner in Blossom to make sure I get my lines right. First I need to Put a little bit of lip balm on because my lips are super, super dry right now. Oh yeah, they really are dry. I'll rub that in a bit. Okay, I'm going to line and fill in with this Laura Geller waterproof lip liner in Blossom. So I'll start off here first. Then I'm going to go back and finish my mascara one more time before I finish the lip. Okay guys, and now I'm going to go back and I'm going to fill in this lip with this Marie Nati lip gloss in Tickle. This is one of my favorite glosses. I really need to get the full size of this one. Well, I think this is the full size, but you guys know what I'm talking about. I love it because that nice pink shade. I love that pink. Okay guys, so here is my finished look, my entire look on my face for my eye look that I wanted to do for today. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know what you think of these two palettes that I chose to use for this look and everything else that I decided to use on my eyes. I'll just leave what I use on my eyes below. I'm not going to leave my entire face, just the eyes, because that's the focus of the video. Yeah guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Take care, and everybody have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video. Okay guys, bye.